We've all heard it, right? This kind of whisper. That if you really want to make money with AI, well, you've got to be some kind of coding genius.
Yeah, like a deep learning dev buried in Python or something.
Exactly. And, if that's what you believe, I think you're missing out.
Oh, big time. Because right now, there are these incredible opportunities for pretty much anyone, even if you've never written a line of code.
People are already doing it, finding really clever ways to profit from AI.
Absolutely. Ordinary folks?
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, our mission is to, well, gently take apart that myth. The one about AI and needing to be a coder to make money.
Mm-hmm. We've looked at a bunch of sources, and the picture's pretty clear.
We're going to walk through seven proven ways to profit using AI.
And yeah, zero programming needed. These aren't just ideas. These are real business models people are using now.
We're also going to give you a plan, a concrete, step-by-step way to land your first AI client in just 30 days.
Right. No ads, no need for a huge following online.
This whole deep dive is about giving you practical, actionable stuff.
Yeah, opening doors to some, honestly, pretty significant opportunities that are just sitting there waiting. Let's get into it.
Okay, let's start with that big myth. You have to be a developer to make money from AI. Believing that, it means you could be missing out on, well, the biggest opportunities of the 21st century. It's kind of like watching a gold rush from miles away.
That's such a good way to put it. This AI revolution, it's not just for the tech wizards. What's really cool is how it boosts creative thinking, problem solving, just being agile.
So it rewards different skills.
Exactly. Loads of successful people in AI today. They didn't start with coding or fancy degrees or even tons of business experience. They understood something fundamental,
Which is?
that the real value isn't always in building the tool. It's often in applying it cleverly, using it to solve actual real-world problems people have, turning the tech into something practical.
Okay, so if it's about applying it,
Yeah.
how does someone without coding skills actually start making money with AI?
By learning how to use AI tools well to fix business problems.
Right. Which leads us to the first method, hosting AI workshops. This feels like a massive opportunity hiding in plain sight.
It really is. Look at the numbers. Corporate training was over $100 billion last year. But get this, 70% of companies say they lack essential AI skills. That gap, it's huge.
A huge gap between spending and need.
Exactly. Fertile ground. An AI workshop is pretty simple. Maybe 1 to 3 hours, training a company's team. And you don't need to be some AI god. You just need to know more than they do.
Which, for many businesses, isn't that high a bar right now.
Honestly, no. Even basic ChatGPT skills, writing emails, simple analysis that's like treasure to a small business owner just starting out.
So how do you actually get started with this? Step one.
Build your knowledge base. Seriously, YouTube, blogs, AI company resources, it's all free. A few weeks of focused learning, you'll have enough for a great workshop. Think like ChatGPT for local shops or AI marketing basics.
Okay, learn first. Then what?
Start local and start free. Offer a workshop to a small business nearby or maybe a local chamber of commerce. This builds your confidence, you practice, and critically, you get testimonials.
The testimonials. Social proof.
Crucial. A few good reviews are your best marketing tool. Then, step 3, scale and price it. Once you've shown value, you can charge. Could be a few $100, could be several thousand for a really good session.
Several thousand, okay. Because the value for the company is potentially huge.
Exactly. That productivity boost pays for the workshop many times over. And structure it well. 15 minutes intro, connect with their pain points. 30 minutes core concepts, simple language, no jargon. Then the big part, 45, 60 minutes live practice, real exercises.
Hands-on is key.
Absolutely vital. Finish with 30 minutes Q&A and a simple action plan they can use immediately.
That sounds incredibly practical. But okay, what's the main limitation of doing these live in-person workshops?
Well, you can only be in one physical place at one time.
Right, your time doesn't scale easily. Which brings us to the next idea. Online AI courses for businesses. How do you kind of clone your knowledge, make money while you sleep?
This is such a golden opportunity. MIT Sloan research found employees using AI are almost 40% more productive. Think about that.
40%, any business would want that.
Exactly. And they're not looking for super academic stuff. They want simple, practical training they can use tomorrow. They'll pay for that kind of productivity jump.
So what topics sell best for these online courses?
Well, things like the complete ChatGPT course for business. That's a solid foundation. Or more specific, like AI for marketing teams, how to boost content, ads,
Makes sense.
AI-powered image and video creation, think Mid-Journey, Stable Diffusion, maybe even Sora. That stuff blows people's minds. And definitely the art of prompt engineering 101.
Prompt engineer. That's basically how you talk to the AI, right? To get the best result.
Precisely. It's a critical skill.
Yeah.
And maybe an introduction to AI automation, how to streamline things.
Okay, so you pick a topic. How do you package it?
Package it professionally. Video lectures are great. Add PDFs, checklists, maybe some ready-to-use prompt templates. Make it easy to digest for busy professionals.
And pricing, beyond just selling a single course.
Yeah, think bigger. Per-seat pricing company pays per employee. Or a corporate package, flat fee for a whole team. Best for recurring income, though. A subscription model.
Ongoing revenue.
Right. Ongoing access, maybe monthly Q&As, new content updates. You could offer, say, a package for a 10-person team for $1,000 to $2,500, lifetime access, some live support updates for a year. That's real value.
Okay, so a company takes a course, gets the basics. What's their next big question, usually?
They need to know which specific AI tools they should actually use.
And that leads perfectly into method number 3, AI tool consulting. Becoming the AI doctor or maybe AI navigator for businesses lost in the fog.
Exactly. Businesses pay consultants when they're confused. And AI, it's evolving so fast it's confusing. Gartner says companies will spend like $644 billion on AI in 2025. They need help spending that wisely.
So you guide them. What's the process, like an AI doctor approach?
Yeah, something like that. First, you diagnose. You listen, understand their business, their workflows, where the pain is. Second, identify the problems AI can solve. Bottlenecks, repetitive stuff.
Find the friction points.
Right. Then third, you prescribe solutions. A clear roadmap. Use Jasper for your blog. Use fireflies.ai for sales call summaries. Use Notion AI for your internal knowledge base. Specific, actionable advice.
Do you need to be a super technical expert for this?
Honestly, no. Your edge is just knowing more about practical AI applications than the average business owner.
Yeah.
Spend a week, just 1 week, watching YouTube reviews of the top 50 AI tools.
Just 1 week.
Seriously. That alone puts you way ahead of the curve. Create your own little database tool name, what it does, price, pros, cons, best use case. A simple spreadsheet works.
And pricing is kind of consulting.
Margins are good because you're selling expertise. Start hourly, maybe. 150 for a 50-hour. Then move to packages. An AI discovery package analysis, recommendations maybe $750 to $1,000. Then an AI implementation package setup, training that could be $2,500 to $5,000, even more. Big potential there.
It's clear the demand for AI tools and guidance is booming. But what's actually slowing things down? What's the biggest bottleneck globally right now?
Finding the right skilled people to actually implement the tech.
The talent shortage. Which brings us neatly to method number 4, the AI talent partner, basically being a matchmaker.
Yes, and the need is critical. 87% of companies struggle to find AI talent. It takes, an average of 142 days to fill one role. That costs millions. CEOs constantly say talent is their #1 AI roadblock.
So your job is simple. Connect companies needing talent with people who have the skills.
And you have an edge over traditional recruiters. Why? Because they often don't get AI. They don't know the tools, the communities. You do. Because you're learning this stuff. You're in those communities.
Makes sense. You understand the nuances.
Right. I'll admit, even for me, finding really specific niche AI talent, it can still be tough sometimes. The gap is real.
Okay, so how does someone start doing this, becoming a talent partner?
First, get into the AI communities. LinkedIn, X, Facebook groups, Discord servers. Be active. Second, build your network. Keep a database of skilled folks you find. Tag them by expertise, make.com expert, prompt engineer, whatever.
So build your talent pool.
And at the same time, find companies looking to hire. Then third step, make the connection. Offer to introduce pre-vetted talent for a flat fee, maybe $500 to $1,000 for a successful placement. Companies gladly pay that to save months of searching.
A flat fee? Simple. And how do you build trust as a connector?
Share your knowledge. Post on LinkedIn about top 5 AI skills for 2025, or how to interview an AI automation expert. Become a go-to resource on AI talent. People will start coming to you.
Okay, this makes sense for connecting talent. But what if someone wants to actually build AI solutions, but they really don't want to learn traditional coding?
Then they can use no-code AI automation tools. It's Method 5.
This area seems explosive. The AI application market is projected at, $138 billion next year? And millions of unfilled jobs.
Insane growth. Not enough developers to go around. But here's the secret most people miss. You don't need to code to build AI solutions anymore.
Enter the no-code revolution.
Exactly. Forget complex code. You use drag-and-drop tools. Make.com, Zapier are big ones. It's like stacking Lego blocks of data and logic together.
Lego blocks. I like that analogy. Can you give an example?
Sure. Imagine. New lead fills out a web form. Okay, block 1. That data goes to ChatGPT to write a personalized email. Block 2, email gets sent. Block 3, lead added to the CRM. Block 4, Slack message to the sales team. Block 5, all automated, zero code.
Wow. Just whoa. Imagine the amount of manual work that saves businesses.
Huge. Freeing up teams for stuff that actually requires human brains.
Who's suited for learning this? What kind of person?
Anyone logical, really. If you like puzzles, if you enjoy building systems, making things run smoothly, meticulously, this could be perfect for you.
So start by automating your own stuff.
Good way to start, yeah. Automate your own tasks, then sell those solutions. Or build specific things for clients. Marketing teams love article summarizers for social media. HR can use resume screeners. Customer service can use simple chatbots for FAQs.
Lots of practical applications. But what if a business needs something more, like a custom app, not just an automation workflow?
That's where software composing comes in. Building actual apps without code. Method 6.
Right, because lots of businesses need custom tools, internal things that off-the-shelf software just doesn't cover. And custom development used to be super expensive and slow.
Used to be. Now there's this new wave of AI tools. You can literally describe the app you want in plain English, and the AI helps build it. It's like orchestrating pre-built components. That's software composing.
So you're not coding, you're directing.
Kind of. Tools like Bubble or Glide let you build really complex web and mobile apps, databases, user logins, everything, without touching code. It's like an AI architect helping you assemble a custom house from amazing prefab parts.
What kind of services can you offer with that skill?
2 really valuable ones. First, building rapid MVPs, minimum viable products, prototypes. Instead of a client spending $50 and waiting 6 months to test an idea, you build a working prototype for maybe $2,500 in 2 weeks. Huge value.
Testing ideas fast and cheap. What's the second service?
Replacing messy spreadsheets and clunky old systems with clean, custom internal tools, like a bespoke project manager, a simple CRM tailored just for them, an employee portal, stuff they desperately need but couldn't afford before.
This sounds like a longer-term play, but potentially very lucrative.
Oh, massive opportunity if you commit to it. You become an incredibly valuable resource for businesses that need custom solutions quickly and affordably.
Okay, 6 methods down. What if someone loves connecting people, sharing ideas, but they really don't want to do client work or build things themselves? Is there something for them?
Absolutely. They can become an AI referral partner. That's method 7. Earn commissions just for making introductions.
Interesting. So this is for the connectors, the networkers, the people who like sharing information but maybe want to avoid deadlines and project management.
Exactly. Your job is to become a trusted voice. You help businesses navigate the AI landscape. You don't need deep technical skill in one area. You need broad awareness of the whole AI for business scene. You filter the noise for them.
How does that work in practice? Step 1.
Learn the landscape. Know the top tools, the best strategies, the use cases that actually work. Second, share what you learn. Create content blogs, social media, newsletter that attracts businesses curious about AI.
Build an audience by being helpful.
Precisely. Then, third step, make the connection. When a business in your audience needs specific help, you connect them to the right expert, someone doing methods 1 to 6, and you get a commission. Usually 10–20%.
So if you refer a $5,000 project,
you could make $500 to $1,000 just for the intro. It's perfect if you prefer building an audience and creating content over direct service delivery.
okay, these 7 methods are amazing, covering a lot of ground. But knowing them is one thing. What's the absolute most critical step to actually start making money?
Landing your very first AI client. And honestly, it's simpler than you probably think.
Okay, knowing 7 ways to use AI to make money is great, but kind of useless without clients, right?
Right. Action is key.
So here's a simple 4-step process. We think you can use this to get your first AI client in about 30 days. No ad budget needed, no huge online presence required.
Okay, step 1. Define your ideal client. This is week 1. Don't try to serve everyone. Pick a niche, an industry you know or find interesting. It could be dentists, law firms, local coffee shops, whatever.
Get specific.
Very specific. Then make a list of 50 potential clients in that niche. Use Google Maps, LinkedIn Sales Navigator, local directories. Just get 50 names.
50 potential leads. Okay, step 2, also week 1.
Yeah, so week 1. Prepare your value bait. Research their common pain points, what takes up too much time, what's inefficient. Then, create a free AI opportunity audit. Just 1 or 2 pages.
What's in the audit?
3 to 5 specific concrete ways AI could help their type of business. Example for a dentist. AI chatbot for appointment questions 20447. Automated SMS reminders to reduce no-shows. AI analysis of patient feedback. Simple, tangible ideas.
Got it. Value first. Now, step 3, weeks 2 and 3.
Personalized outreach. Send emails or LinkedIn messages. Keyword. Personalized. No mass blasts. Tailor each one.
What do you say?
Something like, "Hi name, saw your company name website, really liked specific thing. I helped their industry with benefit, for example, streamlining operations. I put together a few quick ideas on how AI might help you achieve specific outcome. For example, cut down on missed appointments. Open to me sending over that free AI opportunity audit."
Short, specific, offers value. What if they don't reply?
Follow up politely after 3 or 4 days, just a gentle nudge.
Okay, outreach aims to get a call. Step 4.
Week 4, the sales call. Your goal for outreach was just to get this call. Now, on the call, listen. Listen more than you talk. Understand their specific needs. Then present your audit, showing how the AI ideas apply directly to them.
And then the pitch.
Yeah, but keep it small. Propose a starter project based on whichever of the 7 methods you chose. A small workshop, a short consulting gig, one automation project. Solve one specific problem you both identified. Make it an easy yes.
This works because you lead with value. You give them something useful before asking for the sale.
Exactly. It builds trust immediately.
So let's zoom out. What's the big takeaway here? It really circles back to that first idea, doesn't it? AI is for everyone.
It really is. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need fancy degrees. Yes, those help. But hardworking, adaptable people are making this work right now.
So why start now? Why the urgency?
Look at the projections. The AI industry, expected to grow 5x in 5 years, nearly 36% growth per year. Companies are already spending billions. 72% use AI somewhere. This isn't just a trend. It's becoming foundational.
Like the internet was 20 years ago.
Exactly. The people learning these skills now, they're getting a massive head start, a huge advantage.
Okay, so immediate action steps for someone listening right now.
1. Pick one method, just one to start. Don't get overwhelmed. 2. Learn about it deeply. Use the free online resources. They're excellent.
Focus, learn, then
3. Build something small. A personal project. Automate something for yourself. Create a mini course outline. Build a tiny no-code app. Learn by doing. And 4, the most important,
take action.
take action. Execute that 30-day plan. Start reaching out. Don't just absorb information, apply it. Find that first client.
The opportunity is clearly massive. The tools are there. We've kind of laid out a path.
So really, you 2 choices, right?
Yeah.
Stay kind of scared, make excuses, watch from the sidelines while others build amazing things.
Right.
Or you take action. You decide to learn. Join the millions already using AI skills to build better careers, better businesses, better lives.
Think about this. A year from now, you will definitely thank yourself for starting this journey today.
Absolutely.
Go out there, start learning, start building, start using AI. Create the life you've been dreaming of.